How to fix YouTube not showing full screen. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can fix YouTube if it's not showing in full screen mode, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to fix YouTube if it is not actually showing up in full screen, there are a couple of steps that you can take. First of all, normally if you wanted to go to full screen, one thing that you can do is open up YouTube and then just play a specific video over here. So let me just go ahead and play a specific video in this case. And once I play a specific video, let's say that I want to go ahead and then actually view this in the full screen mode, right? So I'm just going to skip this ad for now. And let's say if I wanted to play this in full screen, one thing I could do was I could just tap this little square icon from the bottom right to just come to full screen. And even after coming to full screen, I could just play it and then just swipe it like this. Now there is other way you can just switch to full screen, and that is that while playing the video, you can just swipe up from the video like this. When you swipe up from the video, you can see it will be switched to full screen. And then to come back, you can just swipe down like this and then it will just come back to the home screen like this. So swipe up and then swipe down is also another way to switch to full screen and toggle between those two. Now let's say if this isn't working, then there are a couple of steps. As I said, long press on the YouTube app icon, then tap the I button to come to the app info page. Then you simply want to go to storage, make sure to clear cache and also make sure to clear the data. Once you clear the cache files and data, you can simply open up your respective play stores. In the search box, just go ahead and then type in YouTube. If you see the YouTube app have an update available, I want you to make sure to go ahead and then update it to the latest version. So hopefully one of these may have definitely helped solve your problem. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.